Sarah from Kids Programming. Today I want to show you how to draw your own sprites and backdrops in Scratch. So let's get started. To draw a backdrop, we have to go to choose a backdrop and choose paint. Let's minimize the screen. Choose a color. I'm choosing blue. Draw a square. Now we have a colored backdrop. The next step is to add some sprites or things in this backdrop. For the ocean, I am choosing purple. Draw a rectangle. To combine two colors from up to down, we have to go to the third option from binding and choose two colors. We can also swap. For the up one, I am choosing orange or yellow. And from the down one, I am choosing purple. Now we have an ocean, that is the water. Now draw a circle. Combining two colors, that is yellow and orange. Make the sun like it is rising from down. Now go to fill, go to colors and choose white. Draw oval. Go to this option and make a cloud. There, now we have a cloud. Just copy and paste and now we have another cloud. To make a difference, I am making the second cloud little small. Now we have a backdrop. It's time to draw a sprite. Go to choose a sprite and choose paint. Delete the scratch cat. I want to draw a boat. So I want to choose the color red. Draw an oval. Go to this option and make a boat. Bring this point over here, little down, this point over here. There, now we have a boat. We can also add sprites to it by clicking on choose a sprite on the bottom left corner. I'm choosing Ruby Bee. Convert to water. And it will look little blurred. Select it and copy. Go to costume 1 and choose paste. Flip horizontal. And now we have a sprite. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button. Bye.